Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a thrift slash clearance flip. So I have a couple really cool pieces that I got for really cheap. Let's get into this video and you guys can see quite the transformation this outfit had. So I actually really love the crop top the way it is, but my body just doesn't really work with crop tops just because I need like something supportive. Essentially, this is our crop top. And you can see it's like 4th of July, little stripes, has that ruching, super stretchy. I really like it. So the story behind this is I actually got this from JCPenney's and it was on clearance. It's Arizona. This top was originally $14 and it was actually on sale for $8. And then I had a $10 off coupon, so I actually got this and a couple other things. So this actually ended up to be more or less free. So you can certainly get good deals right at the stores. Okay, so next we have these capris. And I was actually really excited to find these. I can make it into something pretty unique. So anyway, they are capri length. I got these at the Goodwill, so it was quite the find with still having their tags on. And Goodwill, I'm going to tell you right now, you will find like the best things if you can just get past the fact that people have previously owned it. And honestly, it's really good if you're into like, you know, saving the environment because you're reusing someone else's clothing rather than having it go to waste, and you're actually saving your money and minimalism and all that good stuff. So it's really good for you, good for the environment, good for other people. Every Goodwill I think is a little different. I noticed the one that I went to for these, I got a whole bunch of stuff. Everything was really cheap and they had a ton of good finds. And these I just think were perfect. And they were priced $6.99 on the tag, which is obviously a good steal. But all red tags that day were half off. So I actually paid $3.50 for it. So obviously that's an even better deal for a brand new pair of capris that will be short soon. But yeah, I couldn't complain. $3.50 and free for the top essentially. This is a $3.50 outfit, guys. And very little work is gonna need to go into this. So I'm just now realizing that I like blend into the background, which is kind of odd because they're not even really in the same color. I mean, a little bit, but this is pink and this is like a peach shirt from Pink. So I don't know, it's just kind of funny. And my skin is obviously like, it all just like hues together, minus this white little strip. But anyway, so I hope that this goes over well. My plan of attack is basically just cut the capris. Hello. Basically just cut the capris and yeah, try to see what I can do with them. But anyway, you don't care. Let's get on with it. Essentially, I'm gonna cut down lower than I would really like them just because I'm gonna fold them and fringe them and I want a little bit of leeway. Line them up so they're straight. I'm just gonna move them up a little bit. And I'm not gonna cut them both at the same time just because the scissors aren't gonna be able to handle that. Now the only thing I might do additionally to these shorts is take them in, and that's just because my hip to waist ratio, aka this to this ratio, is just pretty significant. So yeah, I might have to take this in a little bit because I always get this giant dip right here. Yeah, you can take in 2 darts on the sides. Alright guys, look at this. Look at how cute this is. Just the white with this. Super cute. Okay guys, so I found a material to go with this top that I'm making into just like a little tank top, crop top style shirt. And that is these very, very old pair of like swimming shorts. This waistband is like that same like kind of, hold up, same like, you know, stretchy vibe to it. So I'm thinking this will be really good to match the material. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off and we're gonna see what we're working with. Basically, we have our band now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this strip perfectly in half and then sew this hem so it is all set to attach. No. Okay, so I just finished sewing up my straps and now I'm just gonna line them up with where my bra straps fall. That way they will cover them perfectly when I'm done. So I'm just gonna pin those. Okay, so I have the pins marked where I want my straps now, and I'm just gonna turn it inside out. That way I can sew it correctly. Okay, so now it is sewn in the back and I'm just pulling it forward and marking exactly where I want the strap to end. And I'm just going to pin it in place and do the same with the other strap. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and sew here and a few, like an inch down, and then I'm gonna cut off the extra bit of strip. Now I just marked a little dart here with some pins and I'm just gonna sew that with the white thread on my shorts just so the waist is a little bit smaller. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed the transformation. Now it's time to see the final result. I hope you like it as much as I do. I think it turned out really well and I'm actually really happy with it, and it was honestly one of the easier flips. I think the hardest part I had was doing the straps, especially because I was trying to like hem them and like hem away like the frayed edge. If you didn't use the sewing machine, if you didn't need the darts, if you didn't need the straps, 2 seconds, super easy. Here's the finished look. Let's go.